Good morning. Retail development financing and Katy Fulshear, your guide to growth. So, Katy and Fulshear, Texas, are two of the fastest growing markets in the greater Houston area. And with booming population growth, rising incomes, and expanding infrastructure, these communities are magnets for retail development. So, think about national brands and local entrepreneurs. The demand for retail space is strong, creating opportunities for developers, investors, and business owners. But one question still remains. How do you finance a retail development, Katy or Fulshear? Well, let's talk about that some more. So, why retail development is booming in Katy Fulshear? Explosive population growth. That's the number one reason. Katy and Fulshear continue to lead the region in new home construction. There's also high household incomes in those two cities. But families move here. The families that do move here have disposable income to spend at retail centers like this. So it's kind of a draw that feeds the other. Infrastructure expansion. So I-10 corridor and West Park tollway improvements have really improved accessibility living on the west side of town. Suburban lifestyle trends. So shoppers want local retail hubs close to home, fueling mixed use and lifestyle developments. So here is the answer to the earlier question, financing options for retail development. So when it comes to funding your project, there's really no one size fits all solution. But here are the most common retail development financing options available in Katy and Fulshear. Traditional commercial construction loans, designed to fund ground up developments. Construction loans provide staged funding as your retail project passes, so you do it in phases. 60% loan to cost is about what banks do. SBA 504 or 7A loans. This is the way to go with less money. Small business administration loans are a great fit for owner occupied retail projects like restaurants or service based businesses. Just remember when you're building, you have to occupy 60% of your space and then you can rent the other 40. Bridge loans, short term financing that help investors acquire properties and close quickly and then work out securing the long term financing later. And obviously, when you're done with construction, you can refinance into permanent financing. So once your project is stabilized and you have tenants and cash flow, long-term loans will replace those bridges or construction loans and make it all pretty. There are private and alternative lenders as item number 5. So for projects that may not fit traditional bank lending, private capital and debt funds offer flexible solutions. But a little more pricey. How a mortgage broker like myself adds value. So working with the mortgage broker like medallion funds means you're not limited to one bank's lending box. Instead, you gain access to a network of over 600 lenders. 600. And that's like on the low end. Tailored financing solutions based on your project type. Faster approvals and better terms. Guidance from start to finish. We try to handhold as much as possible. And here are the final thoughts for today. So, Katy and Fulshear are primed for retail development, but financing the right way can make or break a project. So, whether you're a developer building a new shopping center or a business owner expanding to a retail storefront and want to rent out 40% of your space, partnering with an experienced mortgage broker ensures that you can find the best retail development financing solution for your goals. So, ready to explore financing options for your retail project? You can contact Medallion Funds today to get started. Thanks for your time. Have a good one.